Holy snap. Oh wow, that's a lot of fire ants. Whoa. Are you, look guys. Just look at it.
Hey, we got a video too, so that means you don't gotta take up the whole space.
Look guys, isn't that great?
I'll pick one. Paparazzi.
Ew, what is, don't pick up one, Jake. Oh, look at your dog, Jake.
I'll get it to where you can see more.
Don't do that, Jake. You're gonna mess it up.
Holy, a fire ant kingdom's down there. Are you taking this? Are
Yep.
you taking the video?
I got it. Yep. It was broken before, Daddy. It was broken before. We were getting a video and Jake was trying to get a better shot. It's my dad. It's Jake. Say deuces.
Deuces.